had a grass fire move into a suburban, borderline urban area and affect a number of different structures. We have access to drones, to 5 different types of aerial data collection. These are our assets to our data collection to be able to get as much as we can in the short period of time that we have to make as much of an impact as possible.
What we're hoping comes out of this is that we can build off of all of the previous research on housing damage and fires to look at what helped potentially here. In 2018, there was a hailstorm. A lot of people replaced their roofs. Did that help?
We sometimes ignore larger scale questions. Should we be developing in certain areas at all? Should we be regulating the environmental impact of our engineering solutions? And what community are we really serving? Is our engineering solution leading to the movement of certain communities and making them more vulnerable or not?
There's not a playbook for the level of destruction that occurred. There's no information on how best to do this in a way that can happen efficiently and safely and protect get residents back into this community as quickly as possible. So from this, we hope to be able to inform that playbook.
Can we kind of sleuth this out characteristic by characteristic and see what may have helped some homes survive versus other homes?
It's going to get worse with urbanization, climate change, drought, and all these hazards are related, and we need to understand them better.